Good morning everybody, it's the 4th of March and a Friday, and I was going to go to the Bradford Bulls Car Boot sale. It starts at 10 o'clock, but I just got a message on Facebook to say that it's been cancelled. So it's just out of the weather, it's just a bit raining and stuff like that, which is quite understandable. You don't want people wandering about in the rain and all stock getting wet. But it doesn't stop me monkeying around, so I'm going to hit a few charity shops. I'm not going to bother filming because I don't think there'll be much there, but what I'll do is, if I do get anything, I'll do a report when I get back to the office. Okay, see you in a bit, hopefully. Right, so back from the charity shop. It's a shame that the car boot was cancelled, but the weather, you know, can't do anything about that. So I did get a few things, not a great deal. What I did was, went to two charity shops I haven't been for quite some time. They're both a mile in either direction from where I live. And what I got is this little fella. It's Bob the Builder, like a mobile phone thing, educational toy. Then you've got all the other settings on it as well. So that was £1.50. I haven't really checked comps yet, so but I think I should get more than £1.50 for that. Then I got this, which I think's great. Extra. One of these interactive talking dogs. It's a talking puppy, it says. I quickly looked at comps when I was in the shop because I didn't know if it's one of these that it looks really good, but it doesn't go for much. I can't find this is brand new and sealed. The box is very, very, very badly damaged there, but it's still sealed up inside. There was some going for about 25-ish pre-owned, used. But this is box. I'm going to try for 35 on that. Might be pushing it, we'll see. On that. This little, it's Frankenstein. I think it's from Scooby-Doo, from what I remember. And that was just 50p. I'll just take a little pull on that. Yeah, 50p for that. At first I got this Pink Floyd Animals. It's all America tour date 1977. It is a reproduction. It's H&M in the label. It's a size XL, so it'll fit me, although not for long because I'm trying to get down to back to a large. Yeah, that was £3.50. That. Probably not worth a tenner. I got this in a cycling I got this in a charity shop, a cycling jersey. I've seen Chris Hayden from Cooking Hayden's, he's well into these, and I was in a live chat with him the other day, and he mentioned about, I said, it's got a label inside it. This is how they cut them out for when they're cycling, but I can't find anything like that. If anybody knows anything that, because I don't know, it says it's a size large. Because the label's out, I don't know. And that bit there's crumbled up a bit. I didn't know if this was a good deal or what, but it was a £5. Don't know. And then there was some 3 for £1 DVDs or CDs. I got this. It's a load of chick flicks, but it's Steelbook version. Probably won't be worth much. I got it because to fill it up actually. Take my quid's worth. Just Dance 2 for the Wii. It's got the manual with it, and I think I've got a couple more that can bundle them together. But I mean, if you're just out and you see them quite regular, you can pick them up for a bundle. And then this it's PC Family Tree Maker, but it's brand new and sealed. So I thought I'd take a punt on that. So yeah, oh, and then this, like this. we've had Bob the Builder. Go back for this. Now we've got Thomas the Tank Engine rug. It's a little bit frayed around the edges and there's a bit of some mark on it somewhere. Bit of wear marks on it. It's not, overall it's not too bad. And that was £1.50. So I thought I'll just take a punt on that as well. I like taking a punt on things. Right, and that's just about it really. It's, what day is it? It's 5th of March. And on Tuesday I'm going over to File on the East Coast. The landlady of the local pub that I go in, she's got a caravan over there which she rents out. And all the electrical stuff needs pat testing, so I'll take my gear over there. She says I can stop there a couple of nights in return for doing the pat test if that suits me. Went to Bridlington last year. If you've seen I'll put a link at the end of this, when I went to Bridlington, and the charity shops didn't get much there. So I thought we'll head off the other way and go up to Scarborough. Oh, the monkey's fallen on the floor. Where's he gone? I forgot about this fella. I've got a name for him yet. Yeah, so go up the other way up to Scarborough, and there's quite a lot of charity shops up there, so we'll see what happens. I will do a video of that, adventures in Farleigh and Scarborough. Hope I can get some good stuff there. So until next time, I see you later on. Bye.